to introduction session on business analytics, in which we will see about the overview of business analytics, what is business analytics, applications of business analytics, and research areas in business analytics. So this is the outline of business analytics. What is business analytics? Syllabus of business analytics, books regarding business analytics, applications of business analytics, research areas in business analytics. So what is business analytics? Business analytics is the process of transforming data from one form to another through analytics, and it is useful in organization decision making and problem solving. So this is the definition of business analytics. Business analytics is the process of transforming data into action through analysis and insight in the context of organization decision making and problem solving. This is the business analytics is used by the companies committed to data driven decision making. So it is useful in companies for data driven decision making. Next, in the figure, business analytics, it is used in market analysis, financial analysis, data mining, and data analytics. Syllabus of business analytics. First, in chapter unit 1, we will see about the business analytics in overview of business analytics, scope of business analytics, applications of business analytics, business analytics process, statistical tools, and various types of statistical methods like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. So this is the overview of first chapter. In next chapter, we will see about the trendiness and regression analysis, where we will see about the simple regression method, business analytic technology, trends, various types of trends in business analytics. In third unit, organization structure of business analytics, we will see about the organization structure of business and team management, management issues, managing policies. So this is the overview of third unit. In fourth unit, forecasting techniques, we will see about what is forecasting, types of forecasting method, that is qualitative and quantitative method, judgmental method, forecasting method, Delphi method, statistical trends in forecasting, Monte Carlo simulation method and analysis. In fifth chapter, decision analysis, we will see about the what is decision making, how it is useful in business analytics, value of information in business analytics, and the utilities in decision making. Sixth chapter is about the recent trends in business analytics, where we will see about the embedded systems, data journalism and data journalism. That is, these are the recent trends in business analytics. Next is about the reference books regarding business analytics. First is Business Analytics Principles and Applications by Christopher Stark Pearson publication. Second book about the business analytics by James Evans Pearson Family. That is the most important book for business analytics, and it is the you can also send message in the chat box if you have any query regarding these books. Applications of business analytics, we will see about the first application is financial activities. In the figure, where in financial activities, business analytics is most important, useful in financial activity. Companies nowadays use financial data for the analysis. It is using business analytics tool for solving the different types of problems in financial companies. Second application of business analytics is marketing. Studying the pattern in the behavior in the consumer and analysis. It is all, we can also identify target audience in the marketing. Next application is HR professionals. So in HR professional, in application of business ethics, they are using different type of information like nature and the work experience of the employee, age, gender, and this information is useful for selecting proper candidate in HR professionals in business analytics. Customer relationship management, CRM stands for customer relationship management, which is useful in upsell and downsell in the software in customer relationship management. It is also showing the relationship between the customer and the behavior pattern of the customer in the diagram. Next application is about the retailers, where it is used in shopping malls, shopping groceries, and also in retail shops through business analytics. Next application is sports game strategy. So it is used in making strategies for the sports like cricket, football. We can do analytics through business analytics. Statistical analysis will be done in these sports games. Other applications of business analytics are manufacturing, airlines and traveling agencies, oil and natural gas industries. So these are the applications of business analytics. Now we will see about the research areas in business analytics. First is information system strategy. Strategy decision around the design and management of information system have an enormous impact of an organization capability to deploy analytics tool and gather business intelligence. So this application area in information strategy are healthcare system. Here it is, so here we can it is used in biotechnology, biomedical science, global supply chain management, and social media strategy. In social media strategy, like in Twitter and Facebook, we can use business analytics. So this is the first area, research area of business analytics. Next area is data mining. So data mining is extraction of knowledge from large amount of data, is called data mining. So it is most important area in the business analytics. It is research application areas in data mining are pattern recognition, classification, clustering through business analytics. Third research area is applied econometrics and forecasting. Applied econometrics is the field of developing empirical quantitative models of the economic and the business environment in order to develop sound forecasts. So it is used in forecasting for the environment in the business analytics. Application areas include financial modeling. So we can create different types of financial model and forecasting in the business analytics. Education assessment. So assessment in the education will be done through business analytics. Regulation and operation management also will be done through business analytics. This is the third area of business analytics. Last area is optimization. So optimization is powerful technique for decision making. So it is useful in decision making in the business analytics, and it is come under the prescriptive and primitive analytics. So there are three types of in the business analytics: descriptive analysis, prescriptive, and primitive analytics. Application areas include portfolio optimization, operations, supply chain management. So it is used in supply chain management and decision making in the public sector. So these are the research areas in business analytics. So this is the introduction session of business analytics. Thank you, students. First.